Hi guys, so we are finally here in front of the camera together and we are going to finally talk about how we met.
Jab we met. Yes, I think for the longest time you guys have been asking both of us on our Instagrams about to tell you about how we met and the whole story. So we thought that since we are at home these days, not doing anything much, we'll just take a walk and talk to you guys. And Aditya is going to start telling you the story of when we met and how we met. So Aditya.
Since Bhavya has told you that we have all the time in the world, so I will start with telling you what year it was. It was 20 years ago. Yes, it was 2000. It was the millennium. और इन दिनों में एक चैट साइट हुआ करती थी ICQ एंड मेरे सारे दोस्तों ने बोला कि भाई उस पर आके बात करते हैं एंड आई वॉजंट क्वाइट श्योर कि उसको यूज़ कैसे करते हैं बट आई फिगर्ड एंड आई स्टार्टेड चैटिंग इनिशियली पहले अपने दोस्तों से बात करी और वहाँ पे आप रैंडम लोगों को रिक्वेस्ट भेज के जैसे आज होता है तब बहुत नया था रात के 12 साढ़े 12 बज रहे थे वॉज इट
Yeah, I was pretty late at night. I was just 14 years old. I was in class 9 and I used to hide from my mom and use the computer at that time. And my sister was there with me and my cousin who's the same age as me, he was there also. And then he gave me his number, like a random guy. He just dropped his number over there and he told me to call him.
सो दैट वॉज द ओनली टाइम जब मैंने अपना नंबर किसी को ऑनलाइन दिया होगा और टू माई सरप्राइज जब हमने डिस्कनेक्ट किया तो रात में करीब 1:30 बजे मेरा फ़ोन बजा एंड आई पिक्ड अप द फोन
So what happened was that obviously when he gave his number, I thought it's some lallu loser. I was anyway too young, so I told my cousin. I said ये देखो कितना cheap लड़का है, इसने तो नंबर दे दिया है. So my cousin said चलो ठीक है, हम भी इसके साथ एक गेम खेलते हैं, चलो उसको कॉल करते हैं. And I kept saying no, don't call. But my cousin called, and my cousin was my age, so he was also 14, and his voice was breaking at that time. It was like it was croaking at that time.
सो व्हेन आई पिक्ड अप द फोन आई ऑब्वियसली आस्क्ड कौन बोल रहा है और उधर से उन्होंने बोला कि मैं बहुत भारी आवाज़ में उन्होंने बोला कि मैं भाविया बोल रहा हूँ तो मैंने उनसे पूछा कि
बोल रही हूँ
हाँ मैं भाविया बोल रही हूँ तो मैंने उनसे पूछा कि मुझे लगा आप लड़की हैं तो उसने कहा जी हाँ मैं लड़की ही हूँ और मुझे थोड़ा सा डर लगा और मैंने कहा ठीक है लेकिन मुझे आपसे बात नहीं करनी है आई मीन द वॉइस वाज a little weird.
I still remember. Oh God, 20 years ago, and I still remember it, man.
And I said मुझे आपसे बात नहीं करनी है and मैंने तो फ़ोन रख दिया 2 मिनट बाद फिर से फ़ोन बजा and that time Bhavya was actually online and she told me that they were trying to play a prank on me and that's how we spoke for the first time. This is March 2000 और इस दिन हमारी बात हुई और periodically कभी-कभी फोन पे
after talking to him, obviously I didn't want to marry him or I didn't fall in love with him, but I really liked talking to him because he was really funny. And I remember, I think the first time only we spoke, it was for like, I don't know, maybe an hour or something. So then we continued to speak, I think, for the next 6 months, 8 months. And the first time we met was in November because there was a fashion show happening and we had a few common friends. So both of us happened to be at the same show at the same time. And a common friend of ours came and told me that, Aditya is also here, Addy is also here. And I was like, oh, acha, is he? And this guy is so funny. He had told me on the phone the description that he had given me of himself was really funny because he said that I am 100 kilos and I am 5 feet 0 inches and I'm this and I'm that. So I was kind of expecting someone like that. Not that it mattered, but it's just that I didn't really want to meet him or anything. I was like, चलो ठीक है, अच्छा दोस्त है, बात कर लेते हैं. So that day I saw him for the first time when my friend said that वो खड़ा तो है Addy, and मैंने देखा तो I was trying to look at this level and then suddenly I see somebody at that level and I said वो है. So she said हाँ वही है. And what were you doing at that time? You remember?
So guys, I was doing a very wrong thing. Please don't do it. In those days I used to smoke and I had a cigarette in my hand. और मैं I was about to light that cigarette when I saw a lady approaching and she came and stood next to me and she said, अरे तुम सिगरेट पीते हो? तुम्हारे नाना जी को पता है? And suddenly I said, एक्सक्यूज मी, आई मीन लाइक डू वी इवन नो ईच अदर, क्या मैं आपको जानता हूँ? तो उन्होंने कहा मैं आपको जानती हूँ, और अगर आप सिगरेट पियेंगे तो मैं आपके नाना जी को फ़ोन करके बता दूंगी। आपका नंबर है ना 391562? और मेरे तो हाथ पैर कांपने लगे। मुझे लगा कि अगर मेरे ग्रैंडफादर को पता लग गया, और ये हैं कौन जो मुझे नहीं जानती, या मैं इनको नहीं जानता लेकिन ये मेरे ग्रैंडफादर को जानती हैं। And little later, I realized she only introduced herself. She said, "I am Bhavya. Hi, I was just kidding with you." That's how we met for the first time, face to face.
Yes.
And that was a very interesting story, which I just told you.
हम लोग काफ़ी दिनों तक बात करते रहे एंड वी डिडंट मीट दैट मच बिकॉज एक तो आई वाज अगेन माय मॉम वाज लाइक आई डोंट थिंक शी वुड हैव अलाउड मी टू मीट बॉयज एट दैट टाइम एंड ऐसे हमारा इतना मिलने का मन भी नहीं करता था। आई थिंक हमारे फ़ोन पे बहुत मज़ा आता था बात
Yeah,
करने
I think we were constantly in touch. हम लोग फोन पे बात करते थे तब, मोबाइल्स नहीं थे हमारे पास। At least I didn't have a mobile. You
Neither
had
did
one?
I, नहीं
Okay.
होता था यार किसी के
So
पास।
we could only talk when we were at home because landline and
लैंडलाइन
stuff.
टू लैंडलाइन।
And but it was fun. It was good. We became very good friends. हमारी दोस्ती हो गई। हम I think कुछ time बाद finally when I had to leave for the merchant navy, and then she joined the boarding school.
I was in Nainital for my 11th and 12th.
So she went for her boarding, and in the same year I left for my first ship.
2001.
2002.
2002. Yes.
And then we drifted apart. हमारी कुछ time, in fact बहुत time तक बात नहीं हुई।
कभी कभी बात हो जाती
Yeah,
थी,
we used to
कभी
just-
नहीं होती थी, बट ईमेल भेज देते थे।
ईमेल करते थे हम तब। हमें बड़ा अच्छा लगता था कि अब हम ईमेल से बात करते हैं, तो इट यूज्ड टू बी very interesting.
And I think we were never in love in the beginning. We were only very good friends, and I still remember that we were such good friends that whenever we used to talk about marriage and जब होगी, जैसे होगी, जिससे होगी, he used to always say कि तुम और मैं इतनी बातें करते हैं। Even I used to say कि हम लोग को इतना मज़ा आता है साथ में कि अगर तुम क्या बोलते थे तुम?
So I told her कि अगर जब तक मैं 30 का होऊंगा और ये 25 की होंगी, अगर इनकी शादी नहीं हुई और मुझे भी कोई नहीं मिला, तो हम आपस में शादी कर लेंगे।
Yeah,
that was the plan.
Used to be a joke between us, and we used to always say it. But we didn't even wait for that long. I was just 20 and he was 25 when we decided that we'll get married. So it's just that we just have a lot of fun. We used to have a lot of fun. We used to talk a lot. We used to chill out together. Yes, we are not from the same caste, which does not matter to our families.
Really? I never realized that.
Yeah, obviously Kapoor is Punjabi, na, and my side is mixed breed.
Okay.
So yes, a lot of people ask me that, but in our families, luckily there is no nonsense. So nonsense नहीं बोलना चाहिए ना वैसे.
No, which is okay. That's okay.
So yeah, there was no problem, but yeah, my parents did ask me once कि are you sure तुम्हें शादी करनी है, because you're like really young right now, why don't you study, why don't you let the boy do something and let him earn a little money. And I was like, Papa, please मुझे शादी करनी है, because I don't know, I think by the end of it we just couldn't live without each other. And of course there are lots of details in this story which we've just told you in short today, but the biggest thing is that we always were very fond of each other, and we were always very good friends. We could discuss anything with each other. There was a time in between where he was seeing someone else and I was seeing someone else, and even at that time we used to discuss each other's love lives. And yeah. What would you like to say? I've said everything.
So जब we were never in love, we were very good friends. और जब हमने ये decide किया, suddenly एकदम से friendship transformed into this decision कि हम एक दूसरे से शादी करेंगे.
We were never seeing each other.
Yeah, हम लोग सीधे friends who were engaged हो गए. लोग from being friends to friends who are engaged हो गए थे.
So what happened was that I was in Delhi after my school in Nainital, after class 12. I was in Delhi for my college, and so was he.
So I had just finished my cadetship और मुझे college join करना था to appear for my Government of India exams. When I went to Delhi, I realized that Bhavya is already in Delhi. So same city में, and I knew nobody in Delhi, so she was my only friend. And I used to call her almost every day. तब Reliance ने एक नया फोन
छोटा सा
फोन लॉन्च किया था.
Yes.
और वो शायद पहले 3 महीने के लिए या पहले 2 महीने के लिए
वो
फ्री
एक
था,
फोन से दूसरे फोन पे फ्री होता था,
वो फ्री था.
तो हमने वो फोन लिया था.
So
एक
I think
दूसरे पे-
मुकेश अंबानी is would have been richer अगर वो फोन हमने ना लिया होता, क्योंकि हमने उसको इतना मिसयूज किया, इतना मिसयूज किया.
we used to put the phone on क्योंकि फ्री कॉल होती थी, और पहली बार आई थिंक फ्री कॉलिंग आई थी उस टाइम, एंड हम लोग वो फोन ऑन करके सो जाते थे बिकॉज इतना मजा आता था. बिल नहीं
और
आ रहा है.
उठते थे और लगता था कि अरे ओके यू स्टिल ऑनलाइन, ओके, सो वी कुड जस्ट कंटिन्यू टॉकिंग फ्रॉम, हमें दोबारा डायल भी नहीं करना होता था. सो दैट वाज अ लिटिल फनी. And
I used to stay in a PG, so he used to come, and obviously it was a girls' PG, so boys were not allowed. So I would tell my auntie and uncle over there कि ये मेरे भैया हैं, और हमारी शायद थोड़ी बहुत शक्ल भी मिलती थी, तो वो मान गए थे.
I'll take it from here. So that is how we met. That is our story. That is how we got married. और इन द लास्ट 20 years हमारे पास इतनी स्टोरीज हैं, इतने इंसिडेंट्स हैं, सम वेरी प्लेजेंट, सम नॉट सो प्लेजेंट, लेकिन स्टोरी ज़रूर हैं. और मेरे ख्याल से शायद यूट्यूब की स्पेस खत्म हो जाएगी, लेकिन हमारी कहानियाँ नहीं खत्म होंगी. एंड वील बी मोर देन हैप्पी टू शेयर देम विद यू. If you want to hear more such stories, do let us know, and we'll be very glad to share it with you.
And guys, please make sure to like this video and comment on this video, because it's really these comments and likes that keep us motivated and help us to do this for you on a day when we had nothing planned. We just decided that we're going to shoot this for you because so many of you had asked us this question. So I hope you enjoyed this video, guys, and take care. See you next time. Bye.
Bye bye, guys.